Namaste, everybody, my dear faculties of different Ayurvedic institutions across India, Karnataka state, and in specific, the teachers of Balaroga, that is Kamar Bhritya. Our institution, Hubli Ayurveda Seva Samiti Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya Hubli, it is established in the year 1954 by Vaidya Damodar Anant Halsikar. A man of farsightedness, had a great visionary and a well-known teacher, as well as dedicated his life for the field of Ayurveda and a great clinician too. Now, almost 7 decades past, our institution has grown up to the international level, having all the 14 departments as per Central Council of Indian Medicine, 7 upgraded postgraduate departments, and 4 departments having research activities at a PhD level in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. In the year 1996 further, we launched postgraduate studies in Kaya Chikitsa, and one by one, now in the year 2020, totally we are having 7 PG departments. And now this is the time of lockdown, and the lock has been lifted too. Further, the COVID-19 pandemic issue, now every clinician, every teacher is facing this problem. And this is the time and era of online teaching program, webinars, as well the audio visual fields. Now they are getting popularized day by day. It is said that empty mind is the devil's workshop, wherein by sitting at home, by sitting in the department, so what will happen? So that the academic delivery, academic curriculum delivery will not be extended to the end user. Who is the end user? Ultimately, the student of Ayurveda. So that our Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya Hubli, the department of Kamar Bhritya, that is Balaroga, plan to conduct a webinar on Balaroga, wherein as per the CCM syllabus, as per the module of RGHS Bangalore, every syllabus point and different adhyayas told by Acharya Kashyapa, Acharya Sushruta, and all will be discussed by well-known and renowned resource persons and academicians throughout India. So they will spare enough time by deliberating different points of the syllabus, so that a student may ultimately come to know what is nice to know, what is must to know, and what is desired to know. By the end of the course, it is the duty of the student to understand the subject, and he may become a clinician, he may become an academician as well as a researcher. With regard to this, our Balaroga department of our institution, Dr. Sarita, head of the department, Dr. Aisha Kazi, assistant professor of the department, for the last so many days programmed in such a way that there will be a continuous teaching program in the form of a CME, where various teachers will be connected and will be appeared either on YouTube, Facebook, and in a live sessions will be conducted, so that will be the Jnana Sampada. So student community, the teachers will be brushing up their knowledge, and the other teachers of the various CCM allotted departments will be highlighted, inspired by these programs. I think that the month of June and July, probably by the end of the July, we will be concluding the session. So it will be inaugurated by the Dean of Indian System of Medicine, Dr. S.K. Bannigold, our teacher. So who is a well-known and a renowned scholar recognized internationally and was a member of CCM for decades and a member of different academic bodies of the RGHS, member of different bodies of various other universities across India, and a great teacher, worked for almost 32 years at our institution. Currently the principal of Sanjeevani Ayurveda Medical College at Hubli will be inaugurating the webinar. Ultimately, I agree that this particular program will enlighten everybody, inspire everybody, and I need to congratulate and compliment our teachers, Dr. Sarita Niralkari and Dr. Aisha, in this regard. Thank you.